Did you know there's something fascinating about human nature? We like to think we see others objectively, but in reality, our brains make a verdict within just a few seconds. The first impression effect is proof of that instinct. From the very first moment of meeting someone, the brain silently evaluates. Is this person safe, trustworthy, powerful, attractive? Attractive? And the surprising part is, no matter how much we learn afterward, that first impression clings on like ink that never fades. Scientists such as Alexander Todorov at Princeton have shown that it takes only 100 milliseconds, less than a blink, for us to form an impression of someone. Amy Cuddy at Harvard also discovered that during a first encounter, the brain doesn't care how smart you are. It only asks two questions. Can I trust you? And are you committed? These two judgments quietly shape how others treat, respect, or distance themselves from you. Behind this effect lies an intricate web of psychological mechanisms. The halo effect makes us color all of someone's actions through the tint of that first impression. If a person smiles and acts polite, we're more likely to think they're intelligent and kind. On the other hand, a slight frown or a dry tone might trigger the horn effect, branding them as unfriendly or difficult, even if they're just tired. Once that first frame is set, confirmation bias makes us focus only on what reinforces it. A tiny filter, yet powerful enough to shape the course of an entire relationship. That's why the smallest details, eye contact, posture, handshake, tone of voice, become your ambassadors before your words even appear. A genuine smile, a warm tone, or simply remembering someone's name can build the very first bridge between two people. The same applies in business. A brand's first impression, its logo, response style, or email tone can spark trust or indifference. But don't mistake this for perfectionism. What leaves the deepest impression isn't a polished appearance, but authenticity. The sense that you're real, attentive, and kind. Because if a first impression is a painting that catches the eye, then it's the emotion behind it that makes people want to look again. So remember, first impressions aren't always accurate, but they're always powerful. And if you can make someone feel safe and respected in the very first meeting, you already hold the key to every lasting connection.